welcome to Strategic ERP. So in this video, we're going to learn how to book ESIC payment entry in Strategic ERP. So to book ESIC payment entries, basically you need to navigate to statutory module, open the form ESIC payment under the section of payments. Once you'll open this form, system will ask you for the date on which date you have paid that ESIC. So suppose I have taken 7th of May. Then system will ask you for the month of which month ESIC you are going to pay and year. Once you'll select month and year, the total amount of ESIC to be paid will come over here in this D list. Right, if you want to check the details for how many employees this much amount is deducted on how many employees, so you need to click on the details tab. Once you click on the details tab, the detail of employees will appear here, right? The name of employee, the employee code, and then here is the amount of the ESIC, how much. So this amount is basically including deduction and contribution, both part. So both part are there. So total 2014 ESIC amount you have to pay over here. If any interest or penalty is applicable, you can put it over here. And if you have fill up your interest and penalty master, that will come automatically based on the date of payment and the month. Then you will select the pay from project, by which project you are going to pay this, and the bank, by which bank you are going to pay this, then the date of check, and then the check number, challan check number. So this will these details you can find out on your ESIC challan payment, and then you will click on the save button. Once you will click on the save button, the entry will be drafted, and now the approving authorities, whoever is authorized to approve this entry, once he will approve, the posting of this will be sorted in your balance sheet. Thank you.